So welcome to QuickPixel and we are making this rain effect in this video. So let's get into it. So all you have to do is just import your image, and if you like to use the same image I am using for this, the link will be in the description. So just go to adjustments and solid color and choose a black color like this one and hit OK. Now go to filter, noise and add noise. Convert to smart object and set the value to around 100 works for me, and make sure Gaussian is on and monochromatic as well. Hit OK once you're done. Go to filter, blur and motion blur. So you can just play around with these values, but 44 works for me. So hit OK once you're done. And set the blending options to screen. Now your image might be too bright, so all you have to do is just go to FX and blending options. Now all you have to do is just drag this slider a bit like that. Hold Alt on your keyboard and just do the same again to make the transition a lot smoother. So I'm satisfied with the result, so I'm gonna hit OK. As you can see, there are some marks here, so just hit Ctrl T on your keyboard and increase the image a bit like that. So that was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.